process of using the GST rate setup report to update GST rate and HSN or SAC rate details of all the masters in TallyPrime. The groups, ledgers, stock items, or stock groups. In TallyPrime Release 3.0, the report provides you with all the information such as taxability, GST rate, HSN or SAC, and other relevant details. What's more, you can also configure the report to view more information such as reverse charge applicability, input tax credit eligibility, or source of GST rate and HSN or SAC details. And you can update any information from within the report as needed. The facilities in the GST rate setup report are also available for composition dealer. First, let us see how to view the report for a master. Press Alt+G. Type or select GST rate setup and press Enter. Select the master for which you want to open the report and press Enter. Consider that you want to view the report for stock items. By default, the report is displayed GST rate wise. You can view the report the way you want to. Press F5 or click HSN or SAC wise. The stock items will be displayed based on the HSN or SAC entered in the masters. To view the report with the list of only stock items and the respective details, press Ctrl+H or click Change View. Select stock item wise and press Enter. Press F9 or click Change Parent Group if needed. You will be able to change the parent group of stock items if needed. If you want to view the report for items with a specific HSN or SAC, then press F6 or click HSN or SAC. Select the HSN or SAC and press Enter. Stock items with the selected HSN or SAC get displayed. To view for all items, press F6. Select all items and press Enter. Now, let us see how to update the details as needed. If you want to enter the GST rates for stock items that do not have GST rates, then you can do so too. Press Ctrl+P. Select Method of Showing Masters and press Enter. Select Without Tax Rate and press Enter. Press Ctrl+A to save the setting. The report displays the stock items without GST rate. Select a stock item and press Alt+S to update the details. The Update GST Details for the selected stock item screen appears where you can enter the details. Set GST rate details as specified details here. Enter the applicable GST rate. Similarly, you can update other GST rate and HSN or SAC details for the stock items. To view for all items, press Ctrl+P. Configure for with and without tax rate. Press F12. To configure the report further, you can view the report with the source of GST and HSN or SAC details. The source of GST and HSN or SAC details can be any master from which the GST or HSN or SAC related details will be considered when you record transactions. You can also view the other GST rate setup configurations of the master such as input tax credit eligibility and reverse charge applicability of the stock items as needed. As you can see, the columns get added and you can view all the details. This item has the source stock group. This means that the GST rate details are considered as mentioned in its parent stock group whenever you record transactions. Now, let's say you want to change the GST rate details in the source of the stock item, that is, in the stock group. Select the stock item and press Alt+H to update the source details. Select GST rate details. and specify details here. Make the changes. Enter new effective date and press enter. Press Ctrl+A to save. Henceforth, whenever you record transactions containing the stock item, the GST rate details will be considered from the stock group as per the update. You can use the report and perform actions such as viewing the report HSN or SAC wise for groups, identifying the masters without GST rate details, or HSN or SAC details, or updating the source of GST rate or HSN or SAC details for ledgers and stock groups too. Press F10. Ledgers and press enter. The right button bar has the set of options to view the report or update the details as per your need. As you saw, the GST rate setup report provided in TallyPrime Release 3.0 allows you to access GST rate and HSN or SAC details quickly, while you can view the report the way you want, and also make changes to the GST related information in the masters on the go.